You have to try these energy bars this Ramadan. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. Sprinkle some salt and microwave this for 30 to 40 seconds till the honey and peanut butter melts together. Take around 10 to 12 dates and take their seeds out. You can use any types of dates for this. Mash these well and add to peanut butter and honey mixture. Mix everything together to make a smooth paste. Add a cup of oats. You can use quick cooking oats or rolled oats. Roast some almonds, chop them and put them in the mixture. Line a square dish with butter paper and put the mixture on it. Flatten it out and add some toppings. I added pumpkin seeds, raisins and some chocolate chips, but they are totally optional. Put another piece of butter paper and flatten it out. Freeze this for at least 3 hours. Make these for your kids or try these when you're breaking your fast. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.